Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Appify. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to download Signal app on your device. So without getting further delay, let's jump into our video. First of all, you need to open up App Store. If you are Android user, you can go to Play Store. So here on search bar, search for SIGNAL Signal. Once you're done, tap on Signal on the topmost. Tap on search button from keyboard, and now here on the topmost you can see Signal app. In order to download it, tap on get button. Now double click to your right hand side button from your phone. Now tap on install and enter your Apple ID password. Once you're done, tap on sign in button. Now it starts downloading. Wait for a minute. Now you can see that my Signal app has been successfully downloaded. So that is it for today. If you guys like this video, do not forget to like, comment and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.